For now, the focus is on Parvesh Verma because he comes from the family of a former Delhi CM, Sahib Singh Verma, and emerging as man of the match because this was a high-octane Delhi dangle to defeat Arvind Kejriwal was the big step. Amid all of this, will Parvesh Verma become the next CM or will the BJP spring a surprise? Here's a report on who is Parvesh Sahib Singh Verma.
The son finally had his revenge. 47-year-old Parvesh Sahib Singh Verma is the new Sahib of New Delhi, chosen by the voters. Defeating the former Chief Minister of the city, Arvind Kejriwal. He also defeated Sandeep Dixit from Congress, the son of another former Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dixit.
जीत का श्रेय है दिल्ली की जनता को, सारी नई दिल्ली के मतदाताओं को। जीत का श्रेय है हमारे दुनिया के सबसे लोकप्रिय नेता आदरणीय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को, जिनकी ऊपर में दिल्ली के लोगों ने विश्वास जताया। जीत का श्रेय हमारे पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आदरणीय श्री जेपी नड्डा जी को। जीत का श्रेय है हमारे गृह मंत्री आदरणीय श्री अमित शाह जी को और तमाम उन लाखों कार्यकर्ताओं को पार्टी के जिन्होंने जी जान से मेहनत करी है। तो सभी को बहुत-बहुत हृदय से बधाई।
His father, Sahib Singh Verma, was the second Chief Minister of Delhi in BJP's maiden stint of 1993 to 1998. In fact, in that first term of BJP rule, there were 3 Chief Ministers. Delhi ka Sher, Madan Lal Khurana, took charge in 1993, only to be replaced by Sahib Singh Verma in 1996 due to rising corruption charges. After 2 years, he was replaced by Sushma Swaraj in 1998. In the subsequent election, Congress came to power and BJP, since then for 27 years, had to be happy with the role of opposition. After 3 terms under the chief ministership of Sheila Dixit, Arvind Kejriwal came to rule Delhi Darbar in 2013. It has been nearly 12 years since Aam Aadmi Party first came to rule Delhi. Finally, the lotus has bloomed once again in Delhi and Parvesh Verma is the man of the match in this spectacular winning verdict.
महिलाएं, पुरुष, युवा, फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर्स, सबका साथ मिला। सबको इस बात पे अब यकीन हो गया था कि दिल्ली में अब बदलाव चाहिए, दिल्ली में बीजेपी की सरकार चाहिए। हम जायंट किलर हैं, हमने नई दिल्ली सीट बीजेपी को जीत के दी है, ये हमें पता है अब।
The Verma family started celebrating as soon as the win became a guarantee. For the third generation of the Verma family, though used to their father's many electoral wins, this time it's extra special.
आप सबका आशीर्वाद, आप सबका प्यार, आज पापा जो जीत रहे हैं वो आप सबके समर्थन के साथ जीत रहे हैं और एक बार फिर आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
दिल्ली वाले समझ गए कौन उनका मजाक उड़ा रहा है, कौन उनकी भावनाओं के साथ खेल रहा है। इस बार दिल्ली ने झूठ को विक्ट्री नहीं दी।
बहुत हिस्टोरिकल मोमेंट है, हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है। ये एक झूठ के अंत की जीत है, ये एक उस गवर्नमेंट की एंड है जिन्होंने सिर्फ झूठ बोला, जिन्होंने लोगों का कुछ भला नहीं करा।
Born and brought up in the capital city, he's the model Delhi boy who went to Delhi Public School, R.K. Puram. Graduated from Kirori Mal College before doing his MBA from Ford School of Management. In the 2013 Delhi elections, he made his debut with a win from Mehrauli constituency. The very next year, he became an MP by winning West Delhi parliamentary constituency. He retained the seat with a landslide victory in 2019. But in 2024, he stepped aside and started preparing to make a comeback in Delhi Assembly. And months later, he did it by slaying the giant thorn on the side of the lotus, Arvind Kejriwal.
पार्टी का विधायक दल, पार्टी की लीडरशिप तय करेंगे कि कौन हमारा मुख्यमंत्री होगा।
Parvesh Verma is a front runner in the race to the throne of Delhi now. Bureau Report, India Today.